VIX below 29 now almost. It doesn't seem like the market is buying any drama about a drawn-out contested result.
Yeah. Well, first of all, I think Biden is going to win this. And I think very definitely the Senate is going to stay Republican. And truthfully, that combination is excellent for the economy and it's excellent for the markets. Yeah, I actually think that President Biden, President-elect Biden, will work better with Senator McConnell, leading Senate leader, than McConnell worked with Trump. Because remember, the strength of Biden was actually, and he mentioned this early in the primaries, is actually working across the aisle. And he's going to have to work with a Republican Senate to get something done. In the meantime, the Republican Senate is going to block any, radical tax plan or anything that comes from the House. Hey, what more do you want?
Yeah.
I
let's be careful about calling anyone. Let's be careful about calling anyone president-elect.
No, I'm calling it. I may be wrong. I'm giving you my opinion. I follow these markets. Yeah. I'm giving you my opinion. So this is not an official CNBC call. I'm just telling you what I think has happened. I mean, Predictit.org was smarter than the pollsters by a huge margin. Look what they're saying now.
They definitely. They definitely. They came in with more skepticism.
You go against them at your own peril. I think this is what's going to happen. Listen, I could be wrong, but I think you got to envision this happening, and I'm envisioning this happening and telling you what I think that means for the markets, for the economy, and for legislation. We're going to get a stimulus package. It won't be as big. We're definitely going to get a stimulus package. We're going to get an infrastructure package. Biden is going to go over and talk to Republicans, and they're going to do it. We're going to get some legislation done. This is my opinion, and I think the market is really looking at that and say, hey, this ain't so bad. Honestly.
Jeremy, historically, in periods where there was a blue wave, a red wave, or gridlock, I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but generationally, markets have done better in the latter, right, where there is gridlock.
Yes, but what it is with a Republican Senate, you could say that that's gridlock, but it doesn't mean that nothing is going to be done because we've been, gridlocked for a long time. As I said, if you want to. If there's any Democrat, the Democrats dismissed Biden's claims about I can work with the Republicans because they thought they were going to take the Senate. It was going to be all theirs. They don't have to compromise. Now they know they're going to have to compromise. I think Biden's the man to compromise. I mean, he's been doing it.
Right.
So that means that I think a few things are going to move through that America does need. And we will need that legislation. And I think that is positive for the next 4 years.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.